The Lexus UX arrived as a new subcompact SUV in 2019, giving the Japanese automaker a small vehicle in a growing class. Entered its fourth model year on sale. The Lexus UX 2022 is a carryover model. For a subcompact SUV, the current UX features bold styling. The current UX exterior design remains the same for the 2022 model year. The current SUV sports a large windshield grille on the front, sharp front fascia and angular headlights. Tall fenders and rugged body covers give the UX a solid look. The rear of the SUV is equally dramatic, with pointed taillights and a prominent rear bumper. Angle and sharp design to the interior. The entire dashboard tilts slightly towards the driver, making the infotainment screen easier to see and the buttons on the center console easier to reach. The tiered structure of the center console, the way the infotainment screen is tucked into the dashboard, and sweeping lines make today's UX look and feel like a luxury SUV. As a carryover model, the 2022 Lexus UX will share the same interior design as the current model. In addition to the standard 7-inch display, the current UX comes with a 7-inch digital instrument cluster, Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, Wi-Fi hotspots, 4 USB ports, 6 audio speakers, and Bluetooth. Features include a 10.3-inch display, navigation, 8-inch digital instrument cluster, 8 audio speakers, and wireless smartphone charging. These features will continue to be available for the Lexus UX 2022. Lexus offers two different powertrains with UX when you include the hybrid UX. This engine will be available for the 2022 model year. The standard engine in the UX is a 2.0-liter 4 that produces 169 horsepower. The UX Hybrid comes with a 2.0-liter 4-cylinder engine and 2 electric motors for a combined output of 181 horsepower. Both engines are paired with a CVT and transmit power to the front wheels. Safety features in the current UX include rear traffic warning, blind spot monitoring, forward collision warning, automatic emergency braking, pedestrian detection, adaptive cruising, lane control assist, traffic sign recognition, departure warning, and automatic high beam assist. The UX did well in crash tests, earning a 5-star total safety rating from NHTSA and being named a top safety pick from IIHS. These ratings and features should be carried over for the Lexus UX 2022.